Welcome to the Rural History and Ecology Research Institute. I am Dr. Chelsea Ward from the Department of Biology and Environmental Science.
And I'm Dr. Kimberly Peiska from the Department of Sociology, Anthropology, and Social Work.
So the Institute is a collaboration between the College of Sciences and the College of Liberal Arts and Social Sciences. And the idea is to investigate the rural history of Alabama, its ecology, and how historical land use has changed what we see in the forest today.
AUM was founded in the late 1960s. However, since about the 1820s, it has been occupied and cultivated here primarily as cotton fields. In the 1820s, you had three families who are associated with what is now the AUM campus. Their names are the Brown, the Oliver, and the McLemore families. And for those of you familiar with our campus and the surrounding area, those names are going to sound familiar because we have Oliver Creek, Round Springs Road, and of course McLemore Plantation and McLemore Road that is still up here off of Atlanta Highway. Well, those three families intermarried, and every time they married, they kept joining land. And by the early part of the 20th century, we had the last big marriage between those families, and Andrew Jackson McLemore Jr. and his wife then had approximately 7,000 acres of what is now the AUM campus and much of the surrounding area. And why those are the three names associated with the property, of course, there are probably hundreds of names of people who are associated with this property who also worked and lived on these lands that we don't know the names of. And those would first of all have been enslaved peoples who, again, lived and labored out here in the cotton fields and other crops that were grown, as well as later sharecroppers and tenant farmers after emancipation.